Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Psychologist Appointment Tracking Database template. So you're going to want to scroll up a ways here, and you're going to want to go to our appointment and scheduling section, and you're going to want to select the Access Psychologist Appointment Tracking Database. And you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you are currently running on. Unfortunately, for this one, there is only one demo, so hopefully you have the right version. Once it downloads, you're going to want to go ahead and open it, and you're going to want to go ahead and extract all that file. So go ahead and extract all, hit extract. Once you've extracted it, go ahead and open the file. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open the file. And as always, you get a pop-up box that shows all the different forms that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I am going to go ahead and close out of this for now. Alright, so obviously this would be good for if you were a psychologist and you wanted to keep track of all your clients as well as your appointments. However, if you like this database template but you are not a psychologist and you want it to make it compatible for another type of company, contact Winning Solutions Inc. because we can customize this database template to make it compatible for any type of company that you own or run. So we're going to start off here by we're going to add a new customer, and we're just going to make one up here. Bill Jones. As you can see, you can fill out a lot of information on this page. We are not going to be filling out all of the information. We will fill out some though. We're going to might as well put a phone number, why not? And alright, this is about it. But as you can see, you can fill out lots of information, multiple phone numbers, your address, notes about the customer. You can even put a picture of the customer, as well as your call history with the customer, their appointment history, and their payment history. So it's a pretty detailed section. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save and close this for now. And you can actually now search for that customer. So that customer is now within the database. So if I want to search for Jones, all I have to do is type in their last name, Jones. However, as you can see, you can search by lots of other criteria. We're just going to go by last name to keep it easy. Hit search, and there's that customer I created, Bill Jones. And you can even double click the customer now to either view or edit the customer if you'd like. So now I double click it, you can edit or add any of this new information if you want. We are not going to do that for now, however, so we're going to close out of this, close this, and now I'm going to show you guys how to create an appointment. So if you view the schedule calendar, it opens up in a daily view, and we're going to make an appointment from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So I'm going to show you what the monthly view looks like first. So this is what the monthly view looks like. We also have a bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks, and a weekly view. So if you go back to our daily view, we're going to create an appointment. We're going to make one from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. We're just going to double click this time slot. And so it's December 28th. So we're going to make it from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And our customer is obviously the one I just created, Bill Jones. The psychologist is person 1. Type, we're going to put individual, so $50. And as you can see, now the invoice amount also updates. And location is location 1. Obviously, all the information is just test information that we put in here for the sake of the demonstration. If you purchase the database template, you are obviously able to put in any information that you please. And even if you're going to have multiple psychologists work with a person, you can put in multiple different employees. So it's pretty cool. You can even fill out how they're going to pay for the appointment. So it's actually pretty detailed. And now what we're going to do is we're going to select a custom color. So if you go orange, so this is going to all show up orange. Now I save and close this, and it's going to show up orange on the calendar. So now if I go to the monthly view, there's that an appointment. And the reason the color is important is because if you're going to have multiple appointments back to back to back and they were all the same color, it wouldn't look very organized. You wouldn't really be able to tell which one ends and which one begins. So if you color code it, it keeps it really organized and makes it so you can tell when each appointment ends and begins. Close out of this. And you can even view the schedule by day. So if you were going to have a ton of appointments on a specific day and you wanted to just look at that day so you stay organized and know what you have to get done for the day, you can search for that. And you can even do it by type and location as well if you'd like. But we're going to go by the start date. So it made it December 28th, and we run that search. There's that appointment that I have created. So it's pretty cool. It's definitely a very detailed database. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize the template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those websites. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.